Thank you for choosing Ontario Motor Sales for your vehicle's service needs. Before you arrive at your appointment, please ensure you remove any personal belongings and garbage from your vehicle and place your wheel lock in the cup holder or front seat. Also, be sure to remove your key from your key ring. When pulling into our parking lot, park your car as close to the service doors as you can. Step inside the service department and check in with your service advisor. After handing over your key, you will receive your work order. Based on your vehicle's needs, your service advisor will assign a completion time. This will be identified on the work order. The completion time is based on what your vehicle needs and how quickly all the work that day and the day prior has been completed. If you choose to wait at home, stand by for updates. You will be kept informed of your vehicle's process along the way. We will call you at 10 a.m. and 2 p.m. if your vehicle will be at OMS all day. If you choose to wait for your service to be completed at OMS, there is a comfortable seating area with laptop desks, Wi-Fi, and coffee to keep you comfy while you wait. If you need to book a shuttle to bring you to your home, work, or another location, please alert the service advisor and they will coordinate this for you. If you have any questions ahead of your appointment, please call us at 905-725-6501. Thank you.